Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make condensed milk toffee. So here I have a tin of condensed milk, I have butter, and also I have some vegetable oil. I have already my pan on the fire and I'm just going to transfer in my butter, allow it to melt, and then after that I'll add in my tin of condensed milk. So here we are. You can use as many quantity as you want. I'm just using only one. And then after that I'll just keep on stirring until it gets thickening. And I'm doing this on a low heat because I don't want it to get burnt. So as you can see, it has already started forming. So you keep on stirring until you get the dough that you want. So as you can see, it is forming very well and it's taking time to form. I don't want to get it burnt. So you can see we are almost there. So I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are so wonderful. I thank you all for staying with me and I thank you all for subscribing. So now I have the consistency that I'm looking for. What I'm going to do next is just to rub some reasonable amount of oil on my chopping board. That way it will prevent the dough from getting stick on the board. And also I will rub it on my knife. Also, when you're doing this, you make sure you use a very sharp knife to cut. That way to cut the toffee easily. So I just transfer my condensed toffee onto the board. And I'll just play around with it and allow it to cool down a bit, because if you do it right away, this can be very, very hot. So I'm just dividing it into two parts. And then I'm going to work it out. As you can see, it's still soft and hot. So you can make this toffee to any shape of your choice, any design you want to do. You can make any shape of your choice. This is so easy and so nice. So as you can see, I'm twisting this one because I'm trying to form different type of shape. So if today is your first time for clicking on this channel, I want to say a very big thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. And do not forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I have different type of shapes and sizes, and what I'm doing now is just cutting it into smaller parts. And that's it. Our condensed milk toffee is done. You can do this at home for your family, for everybody to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay safe. Bye.